this is your first time here, hi, my name is Iyanu Opeyemi. Please click on the subscribe button, like my video, drop a comment and share. So 2 days ago, okay, yeah, I think this is better. 2 days ago I made a live video, live at Urban Prime 1 in a 4-bedroom semi-detached apartment, but the outcome of the video was not really nice. I didn't like the quality, and it was off, whatever. So I just didn't like it, and I decided to make another video of, you know, just recording and not a live video, which is what I am doing right now. So I'm currently at the 4-bedroom semi-detached apartment here at Urban Prime 1 in Lagos State. So if you want to make any inquiries, check the description box. All details will be there, and let's go for the tour.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to Urban Prime 1 estate. This is a secure estate with 24 hours power supply, 24 hours security service. There's a swimming pool, there's the lounge, and also a gym center.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
So this is the lobby area, which comprises of the lounge and the gym center. So let's go in and see what they look like.
The June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you.
And this step leads to the lounge area.
Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what.
So in this estate there is a 2-bedroom terrace apartment, 3-bedroom terrace apartment, and also a 4-bedroom semi-detached apartment. So in this video I'm touring around the 4-bedroom semi-detached apartment, which is also a sample unit. For more inquiries, all details will be in the description box, and if you want more of this video, let me know in the comment section. There would also be a video on the 3-bedroom terrace apartment, 2-bedroom terrace apartment. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do that right now and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any video. So the first thing you see is the video doorbell, which is connected to a device in the house. The security door doesn't come in the house, but you can request for it. To get access into the house, you need fingerprint, keycard, or passcode. This is also a smart home. Wire connections are made available. All light switches are soft touch.
Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I
this information is very important. This apartment doesn't come with the furniture. It just gives you an idea of how you can design your own. So this is the guest room, and this room is on the ground floor. It comes with a wardrobe and also the toilets.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know.
Remember the video doorbell I showed you in the beginning of this video? It is connected to this device here. Now let's head to the kitchen. You know the kitchen is a woman's favorite place, right? So everything in this kitchen comes with the house except the fridge and the AC. Every other thing in this kitchen comes with the house. The microwave, the washing machine, the heat extractor, they all come with the house. And here is the storeroom. So this is the second door, which also leads to the BQ. Check the link up here to see how the BQ looks like.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
And here we have the box room. You know, keep your box here, all the packages, keep them here.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
And here we have one of the rooms. This could either be the girls' room or the boys' room, but for this showroom, this is the boys' room. It comes with a wardrobe,
It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young.
Now we add the second room. Like I said earlier, you can either make this the boys' room or the girls' room. But for this sample unit, this is the girls' room, and it also comes with the wardrobe.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah.
And here is the office space. You might want to have an office in your home. There is a space for you in your house. Now we head to the most important place to be in the house. I feel like this is just the most important place. So this is the family lounge. You know, every family doesn't have to like go downstairs to chill. They can chill up here, enjoy the whole view, you know.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
And here we have the master's bedroom. Guys, this is the master's bedroom. You can see the size of the bed. The room is lit, and you know,
Drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying, getting old, hope you feel your soul.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. If you are not subscribed yet, pause now and subscribe. See you in my next video.